Stop these 6 foods. Stop these 6 foods. Seriously, what if I told you that you could completely change your life just by cutting out 6 things from your diet? It sounds crazy, right? But today, we are going on an insane journey to uncover the truth about what you're eating and how it's secretly destroying your liver. I'm Mr. Brock, and we are about to dive deep into the foods you need to avoid right now. This isn't just another boring health video. Simple, fast fun. Your liver is a superhero, but even superheroes have a weakness. I've spent thousands of hours researching this, and the information we're sharing today could literally save a life. This isn't just about losing a few pounds, this is about preventing a serious condition called fatty liver disease, or hepatic steatosis, which affects millions of people. And the craziest part? Most people don't even know they have it until it's too late. We're going to expose the villains hiding in your pantry and your fridge. I challenge you to watch this entire video and see if you can eliminate these 6 foods for just 1 week. The results will shock you. This is the ultimate guide to protecting your liver, and I'm giving it to you for free. All I ask is that you pay close attention because every single second of this video is packed with crucial information. We're going to count down the top 6 worst offenders, one by one, and explain exactly why they are so bad for you in the simplest way possible. If you like the video, please share it with a friend or family member. Let's do this. First up, we're tackling sugary drinks. I'm talking about sodas. I'm talking about sweetened iced teas. I'm talking about those fancy coffee drinks that are basically dessert. Imagine pouring a bag of sugar directly into your liver. That's what you're doing with every sip. Your liver has to work overtime to process all that sugar, specifically fructose. It's like giving your liver a 100-hour work week with no breaks. When it gets overwhelmed, it starts turning that sugar into fat. This is the fastest way to get fatty liver disease. I literally went to the store and bought a single can of soda. Do you know how much sugar is in here? It's like eating 10 sugar cubes. 10. Every single day, people are drinking multiple cans of this stuff without even thinking about it. We're not just guessing here. Study after study proves this. So, the first challenge is simple. For the next 7 days, swap every sugary drink with water. Just water. It sounds extreme, but the difference you'll feel is insane. Your energy levels will go through the roof, and your liver will finally get a chance to breathe. Number 2 on our hit list. Fried foods and fast food. I know. Who doesn't love a burger and fries? But I'm telling you, it's a trap. These foods are loaded with saturated fats and calories. When you eat a greasy meal, your liver gets flooded with fat. Think of it like a traffic jam in your body. Your liver is the traffic cop, trying to direct all this fat, but there's just too much. It gets stored directly in your liver cells, causing inflammation and damage. This burger and large fries combo has over 1,000 calories and an insane amount of fat. It's not just the fat, it's the way it's cooked. High heat creates compounds that are toxic to your liver. This is a double whammy of destruction. There are so many healthier options out there that taste amazing. Coming in at number 3 is processed meats. I'm talking about sausages, bacon, hot dogs, and even the deli meats in your sandwiches. These might seem like a good source of protein, but they are hiding a dark secret. They are packed with sodium, and preservatives, nitrates, and nitrites. That combination is incredibly hard on your liver. Your liver has to filter out all these chemicals, which puts a huge strain on it over time. It's like asking a bouncer to kick out 100 rowdy people every single day. These meats are designed to last for weeks, thanks to a cocktail of chemicals. This is one of the easiest swaps you can make. Instead of processed deli meat, try fresh roasted chicken or turkey. Your liver will thank you. Chapter 4. We're exposing refined carbs. These foods have been stripped of fiber and nutrients. What you're left with is basically a form of sugar. Your blood sugar spikes, your body releases a flood of insulin, and this signals your liver to go into fat storage mode. It's a vicious cycle. The good news: switch to whole grains, brown rice instead of white, whole wheat instead of white bread. Fiber slows digestion, keeps you full, and is way better for your liver. Number 5 is a supervillain. High fructose corn syrup. It's everywhere. Sweets, candies, granola bars, yogurts, and snacks you wouldn't suspect.